Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we are going to go pick up Chantel. This is the first episode of Boxy On The Go, and I'm super excited. We have the team with us here. Say hey to Henry.
Hey, what's going on?
Say hey to Corey. Corey, where are you? Why are you hiding? Oh my gosh, we're so excited. Chantel, here we come. I don't know what else to say. Other than that, we're out. Hey Charmers, here we are. We're literally approximately 1 minute away.
Hey.
Look at that. Touch
Hey.
the screen. Hey y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, Chantel, here we come. Ding dong. Knock knock. Okay, we're 0 minutes away. Oh my gosh, here we are. Get ready for your makeover. Alrighty guys, so here we are. Boxy On The Go.
Here
right?
we go. So
Corey?
excited, our first one.
I know. We're right outside her home. We're gonna go knock on her door and surprise her with the Boxy team.
Woohoo!
Let's go, guys. This is super exciting, honestly. I'm kind of nervous. This is the ring. Hey. OMG. Hi, Chantel. How are you? Good. Welcome. I'm Stephanie. How are you?
Good.
Oh my gosh, so we're here with the Boxy team surprising you for Boxy On The Go. And we're actually not staying at your home. We're taking you with us.
Ooh.
Right. So we have an amazing day and experience for you today. So we're gonna take you to the office, give you a cute makeover, but you already did your makeup, which is really cute.
Thank you.
But we have a good surprise for you at the office too.
Okay.
So are you ready to go with us?
Yes.
Awesome. Hey guys, here we are. Hey. Hey. We are at the Boxy headquarters now. And here we go for the ultimate Boxycharm experience.
This is a new building, right?
So, I want to let you know your experience today. You're going to get your hair and your makeup done. And we even went shopping for some cute pieces for you. That's why I asked you for your wardrobe stuff. Although I was like, our wardrobe assistant is going to need it just in case we need to make some slight changes. But we bought you an actual wardrobe.
Okay.
So you get to choose what you want. So I'll go ahead and walk you through so you can see them. It's super cute. So we kind of went off base your Instagram because that's literally all we had. So we're like, let's go through her her Instagram and see what kind of outfits she would love. So we paired a few of these. This is Val's and I. We went shopping for you at Target. We love Target. Do you love Target?
Yeah, I was there yesterday.
Every time I go to Target, I go in there for one thing. One thing, and next thing you know, my payment is $323. And I'm like, how? How did I do that? I literally started asking the lady that was ringing me up. I'm like, so do you guys give discounts? You can tell them I'm your cousin. Please. So after your makeover, you can select which ones you want, and you get to take it home with you and keep it. And then after that, we're actually gonna go to the Cat Cafe.
Okay.
Do you know what the Cat Cafe is? Have you been there before?
No, but I love cats.
It's we know because you have a cat named Berlin. So we're gonna take you to the Cat Cafe, and then after that, we're gonna spend the rest of the day together.
Okay.
So we're just gonna have some fun. So before we get started, we're gonna get your makeup, and then we're gonna go ahead and film that as well, because we're gonna give you a beautiful cat eye look, and then the Belle Elite team will go ahead and assist you and take care of you. Okay. So we'll be right back.
Hello everybody, I am Barbie. I'm from Belit. I'm so excited to be here with Chantal today. I'm here to do her hair. Let's get started.
Original, and I'm here with Belit and Boxycharm, and we're here with Chantel, gonna do a beautiful makeover on her face. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of more of an eye look, I'm assuming, like more of a cat eye. Are you comfortable with that, or is that a little bit outside of your zone?
No.
No? Okay, I mean cat eyes, I know you have a cat, right? What's your cat's name?
Berlin.
Berlin, so I'm gonna go for Berlin eye, how about that? And then I'm gonna do like a little bit more of a rosy or blush, something in this family of like a pinky tone. We got options today. A trip for two, Wander Blush, look at those. So I'm thinking something more in like that rosy peachy. We can even dabble from a little both, and we'll contour with that. And then maybe a matte lip to end.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, so that's what we're gonna be working with today. So stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with Farsali. Everybody loves this. 24 karat gold looking. But it's rose gold skin mist. And if you look very closely, you can see like little dust, little gold dust speckles. You see that? It's a little bit of love in there, Char. So spray it on. I'm just gonna help to like evenly distribute it on the skin, because sometimes when you spray it, it still is like blotched. So you need to kind of spread it out and like let it marry to the skin.
Hey Charmers, I'm back, and oh my gosh, sometimes I get so nervous sometimes, believe it or not, but here's Chantel with the final look. Girl, you look amazing, by the way. What was your favorite part about this entire experience?
All the new products that you don't know about, and getting my hair done. I just feel so pretty.
This is something new for you too, right? Because you usually go for like the straight look.
Yeah, I usually do straight, but I love these soft waves. It's like so out of my comfort zone because I don't know how to do it, but I love it.
It's cute, and we also did like a cute little like wardrobe detail for her too. So like get into the outfit. Okay, get into the outfit. It's cute. Chantel is feeling herself. At this point, nobody can literally tell her anything. No. You guys, this was an amazing experience.
Look at the earrings.
Honestly, right, look at the earrings. I think they're super cute.
The bracelets.
And the bracelets, they're nice. There we go. This is super cute. You guys, now we're gonna head over to the Cat Cafe. The adventure does not end right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Hey Charmers!
Hello.
So today is day 2 of Boxy On The Go, and we're on our way to pick up Chantel so we can head over to the Cat Cafe. So super excited. I brought my girl Mel with me because...
I'm so excited.
Why? She loves cats.
I have like 10 cats, you guys. So when Steph told me this morning, like, you want to come to the Cat Cafe with us? I was like, oh, yes. So I'm very excited. And we got,
yeah,
girl, Starbucks.
We're ready.
We're ready, guys.
This is exciting.
We're ready. This is our Uber driver.
Hey Albert.
So nice.
Welcome to Miami.
Welcome to Miami. It's actually a beautiful day in Miami. It's like 60 degrees or something. I don't know.
The weather is actually nice.
Steph is a little dramatic with like her face. It's not that cold, but like it's nice to be outside.
I definitely have all.
We're going where? South Beach?
Yep, we're going to South Beach.
A little bit colder over there, so we'll see you guys there.
Alrighty. Hey guys, here we are, and we have Chantel with us. Thank you so much, Albert.
Thank you.
Take these boxes. The Cat Cafe. Oh my god. gosh, look at them.
They're
looks
in
like
baskets.
Hey. Hi. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think he was doing anything.
I'm scared. Cat, big ass cat. Oh, hey. Hey.
You're so funny. Very hyper.
This one is already people watching. Hey. My cat just like this. So when I passed away, I had my friend.
Oh my goodness. You're like a little muffin. You're so sweet. Oh yeah, it's so soft.
She's fine, and I should go. Yeah, enough. But what this is basically, this is a giant foster home for about 30 adoptable rescue cats from around Miami Beach. All of our cats have come from outside. There's an epidemic of stray cats on Miami Beach. There's about 100,000 stray cats on Miami Beach. We've been here for about a year, or over a year, and we've had 90 adoptions, so we're very happy about that. It's a great place for people to come if they miss their cats, if they're out of town and they want to hang out with cats. We call it purr therapy. So people can come in and spend an hour here for $15 or for 30 minutes. They can spend $10 and hang out with the cats and drink some really good coffee, or sit here and eat some cake or some avocado toast and watch through the glass.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Cat Cafe and we're gonna end the day here. I don't actually know his or her name, but her name in it, Tinkle. Aww. How'd you like the Cat Cafe, Chantal?
I love it.
This is really nice. This is my first time. Is this our first time? Is this your first time too?
This is my first time at a cat cafe.
Our first time.
Ooh, ooh. Martin isn't really friendly. He's actually really mean. I actually got a little scratch on me. But we were just playing. They're really sweet and they're playful and they're all sleeping. But we had such a fun time.
Yeah. I love this series.
Ooh.
That's mine. The Boxy On The Go series is amazing. I love it. It's adventurous and
know.
fun. We spent some time here at the Cat Cafe. If you guys want a chance to enter, I'm using my inside voices, I'm so sorry. If you guys want a chance to enter, make sure that you stay tuned to our IG stories and our YouTube page where you can find any updates about Boxy On The Go, and you might be the next winner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.